In today's video, we are taking a look at an engine that has not had an oil change for 30,000 miles. Hello, and welcome to the Nissan Doctor. Here you can see the sludge accumulated on the camshaft position sensors. Neglecting the engine this way will definitely void your engine warranty, and yes, this will also apply if you are leasing the vehicle. I get this statement all the time. It's a lease, I don't own the car. Doesn't matter, you're responsible for maintaining this vehicle, and if the engine fails because of lack of maintenance, be prepared to pay for the repairs. That said, Nissan engines are one of the best engines on the market. We have seen this lack of maintenance too many times, and no engine failure so far. In this case we replaced the valve cover, cleaned the oil pickup, and flushed the engine. The engine didn't suffer any damages. We asked the customer to come back for a follow-up oil change in 1,000 miles, to get rid of any sludge residue. Don't forget to follow the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.